Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand how to use the shortcut bars and the mouse gestures. Let's start. File, new, part and this. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface comes here. This is the menu bar upper section, this is the command manager, this is the tab section, view adapt tool, and this is the future tree manager, and this is the task band. I am selecting first background plain white and unit system is millimeter. This one you can select any other system requirement. In the command manager, I click and right click customize. This window comes here. So I will use shortcut bars. Shortcut bars you will find here. Select a shortcut bar tool. There are 4 types of the shortcut bars: part, assembly shortcut bars, drawing shortcut bars, and this one. So this is I am clicking on the sketch. This is the sketch shortcut bars. Suppose you want to remove any command here. So mostly you in use commands you can bring here. Suppose you want to remove the command, you can remove it here. 3D sketch, you can remove it here. And if you want to remove this one, remove it. You can just select and drag it outside. Suppose you want to bring any other command here, you can bring it here. Sketch, you first go in the sketch. This sketch and the required command you can bring, which you mostly use. Suppose dynamic mirror you want to add it, and trim command you want to add it. In this way you can add it, and circle is there. And the mostly you use which command you can bring it here just by select the sketch and bring the command and just drag it into this one. You can increase the size or customize the size of this one. Okay, this is the sketch shortcut bar. Now I go in the part shortcut bars. Part shortcut bars, just you want to drag it and hold this, drag it. And suppose you want to future. Now you go in the future. This one future. Future you can bring the extrude command. Yes, I have lofted command. You want to bring this one, and this is the fillet command is here, and another is the, suppose you want to add it, extrude boss is there. Extrude cut, this is extrude cut here, and you want to add anything. Suppose this is the shell feature, you can add it. In this way you can add the command here. Okay, and also increase the size, this customize the size of this thing. Okay, and same way you can modify this assembly shortcut bars and drawing shortcut bar. Okay, now now the question is how to use the shortcut bars in order to speed up the work. Suppose I take the top plane sketch. I am in the sketch mode. Okay, so in order to bring the shortcut bar for the sketch, I press just S key on the keyboard. Just this sketch shortcut bar comes here. I select from here the command. I select, suppose center rectangle. This I am taking the center rectangle. Okay, right click, select. Now again press S key. Again comes, I select the small dimension from here. This 100 mm, this 100 mm, and this one, and this is suppose 80 mm, and this I am selecting. Now out of the sketch. Now I want to extrude it. For that I will bring the future shortcut bar. How I will? Same. Press S key. Now future shortcut bars comes here. So just is extrude it. This is the extrude command. Extrude future, and hit right button. This is the extrude. Again, suppose you want to use the whole wizard. You want to make it. How? Press S key. This is the whole wizard is not here. Suppose I want to make a extrude cut here. extrude cut or anything, fillet I want to make it. This is the fillet, and this select 10 mm, select this option, and this way you can apply the fillet. Okay, the required parameter you can bring it. Okay, again suppose you want to add again anything, customize shortcut bars. I want to in the future, I want to add, for example, this is the extrude cut, and this is the extrude boss with whole wizard. I want to add it. Go in the future. There is a future. You go in the future, and this is the whole wizard. Where is the whole wizard? You find it. This whole wizard. This is simple hole. This is the whole wizard, and just drag it and bring it here. And okay, suppose you want to add the hole here. So again press S key. This feature here, select this whole wizard. No, this is whole wizard. Whole wizard in this window comes here. I want to make a simple hole. Standard ISO drill site 10 mm. Select the position. Select this one, normal, and click here, and this one. And in this way you can apply the hole here. So we can use in the same way we can use shortcut bars in the drawing mode and assembly. Okay, now mouse gesture. How to use mouse gesture? So, again, right click on the command manager. This is the customize, and here is the mouse gesture upper, this portion. This is the mouse gesture. There are the two gesture, there are the multiple gesture here. Two gesture, this one, only two commands here. Two gestures, horizontal, this 3 gesture, and 4 gesture, and again 8 gesture. This is the 8 gesture here. 8 gesture here. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 gesture. Actually, there are the 6 gesture, mouse gesture. These are the. Okay, suppose you want to remove anything here from here. You can remove it here. From here, you can remove it. This one, you can remove it. Or you want to add it, sketch. Go in the sketch. Here, type as sketch. Suppose you want to add 3D sketch, or you want to add anything, sketch, or suppose you want to add mirror command. Suppose mirror, MIRRER. This is the mirror command. You want to mirror it here. You can place it here. Just type here mirror, and you will find the mirror command and drag it. Use your smart dimension is also here, fillet is also here. And suppose this is the part mouse gesture. In part, suppose you want to remove this extrude cut, you remove it from here, and you can extrude, XTRUD, extrude, EXTRUD, extrude cut. This is extrude cut. You want to bring this thing here, you can bring it. Just drag it outside, and required command can be you just type it here in the search for this box and bring it here. So in this way you can modify your mouse gesture as per the requirement. In the same way, assembly and drawing, and click OK. Now the question is how to use the mouse gesture. How to use mouse gesture? Okay, suppose I right click here. Suppose select this face, sketch. I am in the sketch mode, normal. In order to bring the sketch mouse gesture, right click of the mouse and just drag it. You will see this gesture comes here. So select this line. Now the line command comes, and here to here, this one, and select. Again, press right mouse button. We are still in the sketch mode. Press right mouse button and slightly drag left side. You will come this one and select this smart dimension and break this 30 mm, suppose. Give the dimension, and this also 30 mm in this way, and hit this one out of the sketch. Now I want to cut it, so press right. I will now I will bring the future mouse gesture. How I will bring? Again, press right mouse button and just drag it, and you will see this is the extrude cut, and hit right button. This is the mouse gesture. Come in the extrude cut here, and suppose you want to make anything here, or again sketch. This is the we are in the sketch mode. Again, press right mouse button and sketch mouse cursor comes here, and no, I want to this rectangle. I want to draw it there. Draw it here, and right click, select. Now again right mouse button and just drag it. You will get the smart dimension from here. You can give the dimension here. Suppose 25 mm, this one, and this one also 25 mm. Okay, give the dimension, and this one out of the sketch. Now I want to extrude it here, this sketch. So again, in order to bring the future mouse gesture, right mouse button, just drag it, and this is this one, extrude it, and 40 mm, this one, this extrude. In this way you can use the mouse gesture also. Okay, these mouse gesture and shortcut bar are very useful in order to speed up your work. So you can mostly you use command can bring in the mouse gesture and shortcut bar, and accordingly you can improve your work performance. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you.